Hey Rectable is back again with another video. Today I am going to be building a cardboard night helmet. So first few things I have to say is go to household bundles on Facebook. Basically there you could make your own bundles of cleaning supplies such as shampoo for yourself, laundry detergent, fabric softener, air fresheners, and toothpaste. You could get stuff like that and combine them. And you do get discounts for combining more than 5 of them. Also, go check out our website at wackytube.space. We have hoodies on there now. I just added those yesterday. And also we have a design that I am going to add later today or tomorrow. We have a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I already have 2 people down on my list. 3 people could win an item for free, and I'm trying to work on a quiz that will work whenever you need a cardboard item, you take it. So with that said, Racketubers, let's hop right into the video. What you first need is a 25 by 11 inch sheet, which is essentially just this ruler, something like that, and it's 11 inches wide or long or height, whatever way you're looking at it. So that's that. And you need to score it. So what you do when you score, you bring out the blade like just a bit, like that much. You guys could probably hardly see it from here. And you press down lightly, and you do it once. So do it once on a cardboard, and then after you could bend it. So I'm going to go do that right now. Let me just show you an example of what scoring is. So there's this scrap piece of cardboard. So if you get a piece like this, and if you, this isn't really the best one. Do it down here. You do it lightly like that, and then now you could bend on the line. There's already a crack in it. So you could bend on the line, just like so. So since the helmet's going to be circular, that's really important for this, and you don't want to bend the cardboard just in case if it might get bent in a weird direction and it will mess up the project. So with that said, I'm going to go do that right now. See you then, Racketable. This is what it should look like as a 2D form. You scored it on the back, you bent it. This tape was for like, so you could like measure the eye slit. I can't really like show you how because everybody has different like eye sizes from a pole, and you have different head sizes too, so it's kind of difficult to tell. So I will be posting this on with different sizes to fit different people. Like I'm I'm that age. And so what you do, so basically you just wear it like this. That sounds terrible because it's right next to my ear, but I basically cut a bunch of lines here. I've cut 6 thicker lines underneath the eye slit, which is just one thing. And then I put a thin line in the center, and I put rows of duct tape over it. So when you go to spray paint it, it'll look like an actual like mask. And then what you have to do now is you have to get a circle on the size you want it, and put it on your head and measure it like so, and then measure the size you want and put a piece of duct tape on it to hold it. Not like you could use a thin piece, and then it will hold it, and then you could trace it on a piece of cardboard on what you want. And also I made these for solo, for your solos, so it's more convenient and you don't have to have something flat on your solo. And it's more cool for your solos, as you can see. So, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and make the circle, and then I'll be back, and I'll be ready to hot glue. See you then, Racketubers. Hey Racketubers, I'm back, and I made a circle, suggesting the size. They're more ovalish, because your head is more, like, your head's longer than it is, like, wide. So I made it like an oval almost, and so this part goes inside of here, this part will roll up like slowly when you hot glue it. Don't do the entire thing at once or else you won't get a good like hot gluing job. And you basically just form it around just like you had it before. And it will come out just the way you wanted it to. Would want it to. So now it looks something like this. And this is probably what it will look like when it's done. And you could add a lot of extra design to it. Like you could add boats in it if you want. You could add pretty much whatever you want to it. I think I'm going to add a W on here though. Just some wacky tube stuff. So I'm going to hot glue these together and then I'll be back when I have that done. See you then, wacky tubers. So now that I have hot glue this is what you have so far. Another reason why I did the shoulder thing is that it adds more design in the back, and I did at the end, I started like down low from the shoulder thing and then I went up like higher with it. So it gave it a bit more stable. I'm not sure if you would call it that. And this is what it looks like, and it does fit me. It is. My hair gets in the way sometimes. So if you have like hair and you use the duct tape thing, what you would do is you put duct tape on the other side to prevent your hair from getting like actually caught in it. And my hair falls down. Okay. So this is what it looks like right now. The holes are also for speaking and the eye slits are for saying. And I'm going to add a wacky tube W, which is right over there. And I'll be back when I have that done. Hey wacky tubers, so this is how it looks when it's done. I was just wearing it. And I put a W on it. You could put any design you want on it. I'm going to make it customizable sizes. And probably 5 different sizes because I know head sizes do vary. So this is the final product. Okay, so see you in the next one, wacky tubers, and bye bye. Stay wacky.